This is Funkykit.com, Mod My Box 2016. Sponsored by Steelseries. The Steelseries Apex M800 gaming keyboard.
Alright, let's do the unboxing. Let's get this baby out of the way. Let's do this. Does the box. Whatever.
The Steelseries Apex M800 gaming keyboard. It's a full-size gaming keyboard with 6 macro keys on the left side. What's more, it also features the N key rollover and for zero gaming ghosting. It uses SteelSeries' own QS1 switches for its keys and has a rather unique oversized spacebar. You also get full RGB backlit keys via the Engine 3 software. It's Mac compatible and comes with Option and Command replacement keys, as well as 2 USB ports at the rear. The SteelSeries Apex M800 gaming keyboard comes in at $160. SteelSeries Apex M800 gaming keyboard.